Hi, friends! My name is Zane. And today, we're diving even deeper into an exciting part of ASL, fingerspelling and when to do it. By the end of this video, you'll know what fingerspelling is, when to use fingerspelling, and some examples of words you might fingerspell instead of signing. Ready to get started? Let's stretch out those fingers, shake out your hands, and get ready to sign. Fingerspelling in ASL involves using hand shapes to represent letters. It's like spelling out words with your fingers. We use it in several situations, such as spelling out names, places, specific brands, or words that don't have a standard sign. So, when do we use fingerspelling? Here are some examples. First, names. If you're introducing yourself, you would fingerspell your name. Second, places. When talking about specific locations, especially ones without a sign, like a small town, use fingerspelling. Third, brands. Fingerspell brand names like Nike or Apple. Fourth, words without a sign. Some words, especially technical or newly coined terms, might not have a sign yet. Let's compare when to use a sign versus fingerspelling. For example, we sign dog like this. But for a specific breed like beagle, we would fingerspell B-E-A-G-L-E. Pause the video here and think of a few words you might want to use that would need to be fingerspelled. Write them down in step 2 of your guided notes. Now it's your turn to practice. I will spell a word, and you guess what it is. Ready? Hello, my name is... Did you catch that? Yes, my name is Zane. Great job. I don't know if you noticed, but we are somewhere new. Let's figure out where we are. See if you can guess before we get to the end. It is famous for the mysterious lights that appear there and its cool art installations, particularly one installation that looks like a store. Do you know what that is? It's a designer brand known for its handbags. Yes, Prada. They also have one of a Yes, an art installation of a See? Target. What an interesting place to visit. Has anyone figured out where we are yet? It is somewhere neat. A small town called Where is? In Texas. Did anyone get it? Yes, Marfa. Can you spell it with me? M-A-R-F-A. Great job! What a cool place! Great job spelling with me today. Pause the video here and practice fingerspelling the words you have added to your guided notes. Fingerspelling is a crucial part of ASL, helping us communicate clearly and accurately. Keep practicing your alphabet and try fingerspelling names and places around you to practice. Thanks for joining me today. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you next time.
Hey, hey.